another dog, reflection, and he lost both. So, this cheating, this misuse of intelligence is going on, but that is never successful. It will never be successful, because Krishna is always more than you. If you are a cheater, then Krishna can cheat you more than what you know. That Krishna knows. Otherwise, how Krishna can be? God is great. So, if you want to cheat Krishna, he can cheat you more than what you know. So that is not possible. Therefore, this Hiranyakasipu thought himself to be very intelligent and wanted to cheat Krishna and his servant, but he was cheated, actually. Therefore he said, Tadabhitta Rishivaka Ritang Vidhatum. Rishivaka. Even the devotee or the servant of Krishna says something, even it is wrong, Krishna fulfills. Kaunteya pradijanihi name bhakta pranasati. So, even it is wrongly done, still Krishna fulfills, because he thinks that my servant has promised, it must be fulfilled. Therefore, Prahlad Maharaj, in the previous verse, he has said, Tava bhitta pars. To serve the servant of Krishna is better than to serve directly Krishna. Because if the servant of Krishna promises something, if the servant of Krishna says, I will take you to Krishna Loka, you must go. Even Krishna cannot do that. He can, I mean to say that he does not say very easily. But it was certain, Dasya prasadad bhagavat prasad. Therefore, our philosophy is to please the servant of God. Tadbhitta, bhittasya bhitta. Then it is very nice. The success is. So here it is said that Sabhritta rishivakka ritam vidhatum. So Brahma gave him benediction. He asked, Sir, I will not die at night. Yes, that's all right. I will not die in daytime. That's all right. I will not die in the sky. That's all right. On the land, that's all right. On the water, that's all right. No animal can kill me. That's all right. No man can. That's all right. So he thought, now I am secure. There is no death. But Krishna is so intelligent that he killed him, not at night, not in day, not in the sky, not on the land, not on the water, not by animal, not by man, all things, ritam. Yes, everything kept, still you are killed. You are killed in the evening, which you cannot say it is day or night. You are killed on the lap of the Lord, you cannot say it is sky, land or water. He did not kill him with the open weapon, but he killed with his nails. In this way, you will find that he kept everything intact. What benediction was given by Lord Brahma, Ritang Vidhat. Yes, at last, of course, he little chastised Brahma that you should not give such benediction in future. This is botheration for me. But still, he kept his servant's promise intact. The demand was also killed, and the promise given by, benediction given by Brahma, everything, that is the action of the Supreme Personality. In one stroke, he is doing so many things. He is saving Prahlad Maharaj, he is killing Hiranyakasipu, he is keeping intact the promise of Brahma, everything. That is God's intelligence. Our intelligence, however diplomatic we may be, If we want to do anything, another thing is not managed nicely. But Krishna, that is called all potency. When he does something, in a moment he can adjust everything. Even opposite actions he can adjust. That is Krishna. Therefore he is called all powerful. We cannot do that. Sa mat prana rakshanam mananta pitur badhasta manne sabhikta rishivaka ritanga vidha. So your incarnation is there for fulfilling so many objectives. And especially there was challenge by my father taking his sword, Khargang Pragijja, Jadabhuta, Asat Vidhi. Asat, I shall kill you. This is Asat Vidhi. To say like that, I shall kill you. Nobody can kill anyone. This is Asat. I shall give you, I shall kill you, I shall protect you. No, you cannot do anything. Balasya neha saranang pitaro. Nobody can do anything unless it is sanctioned by God. You don't promise anything. Therefore a devotee always says, if Krishna desires, it will be done. That is the fact. That is the fact. So, when Hiranyakasipu was very much proud, unnecessarily challenging Prahlad that you are not accepting my philosophy, that I am God, you are searching after another God, all right, let me kill you. I see how your God can give you protection. That was his challenge. So Prahlad Maharaj knew it, that unless Krishna desires, you cannot kill. Therefore it is asat vidhi. If one is very much proud and challenges the authority of the Supreme, that is asat, that is not sat. Rakhe Krishna mare Krishna rakhe. Prahlad Maharaj knew it, that you may challenge me, but I know you cannot kill me. He was confident, devotee. All right, he is also challenged. I am challenged. I also challenge. I am standing here. Let me be killed by you. That is not possible. So asat vidhi su mad aparo abatu kang hara. So it was challenged by the Hiranyakasipu that you are searching after another God than me. Now I shall kill you. Let me see how another God. This is demonic. The demonic means atheist and unnecessarily, falsely, very much proud of their knowledge. This is demonic. This morning as I was talking, they falsely, the so-called scientists, they are falsely proud and challenge, there is no God, everything. That is demonic. So, in the Kali Yuga, the demonic spirit is very, very prominent. Everyone is thinking, I am God. So it is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy to cure all these madmen. পিশাচি পাইলে যেন মতিচ্ছন্ন হয়, মায়াগ্রস্ত জীবের সেই দশা উপরে. Pisachi, ghost haunted, a man is ghost haunted. He speaks all nonsense. In this age, Kali Yuga, they are mostly like that. They speak all nonsense. We should be careful not to accept what Krishna says and reject everything. Then we will be saved. Thank you very much.